I have heard you are the greatest hunters in this city. That is true. I have a mission for you. A certain someone I need some watching on. Understand? Of course. It happens that it gets a little too heated. Destroy them. Is that clear? Clear indeed.
Seem to it like this. Taxi cab is mad at us, but he won't last. Rolling down highway, just let me go. The morning sun is on its way. You know it's time to go. Hey, chocolate my car, chocolate my car, chocolate my coffee, chocolate my car. Oh, chocolate my car. Oh, it's so nice big drive with somebody. I was at that place for so long. It was all like la la, it's all like,
Yeah, stop talking. I'd like to have some peace and quiet while I drive.
so where are we going?
What, you forgot already? I have to pick up food for my restaurant.
Oh, so you going, where you going?
Some place out the country, I heard. Grease Foods Incorporated, I think it's called.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Well, okay, so help me sing along the way.
Be quiet.
Oh, are we going on the highway?
Yes, we have to get out in the country.
Oh, I love the highway. Oh, I'm gonna sing the highway song. Oh, the highway, it's the highway, la la, la la.
Will you be quiet? That is such an annoying song.
Oh, I know, that's why I like to sing it.
Keep an eye on them. That's what I'm doing, sir. Good. What do you see? They're taking the highway. Let's keep a close eye on them. Yes, sir. Sir? Wait, I lost them. What? How could you let that happen? Oh! We have to find them again. Quick, get in the car. Well, here it is. Grease Foods Incorporated.
Oh, this sounds like a pretty nice place. Greasy foods are always nice, but they aren't very healthy.
Good enough. The customers won't mind. They won't even know what the difference.
What are you talking about?
Well, before we were using vegetable oil. Now we're gonna use grease.
I mean, you can't replace vegetable oil with grease.
I'm just gonna get out now, okay? Go talk to the owner here. Hello?
Oh, hey, what's up? Burp. So, what's going on? You wanna buy some grease and stuff?
Yes, I would, okay? You are incredibly, greasy, in fact, yes.
Oh, that's nice you say that, yeah. So, what do you want? You want some of the greasy foods? These all sorts of different foods, all smothered in grease and put in a little container. See over there? Then we got 100% natural grease. 5 pounds of pure 100% natural grease.
Well, that sounds kind of disgusting.
Hey, I'll throw in my dirty socks.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get, greasy foods.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got me all going and I explain everything. And he said, oh, I don't want to buy stuff from you. Oh, you're real nice, aren't you?
I think I'm just gonna leave now, okay?
Hey, what's the matter? You don't have any food. Well, what happened?
The greasy food here is, disgusting. Let's go to somewhere more natural.
Oh, I know the perfect place. I'll take you.
Okay. Whoever heard of a truck taking the person who's driving somewhere? Very strange. Do you see them now? Wait, I see them! They're leaving that Greasy Foods Incorporated place. Yeah. See? Oh no, they're going away. Oh no, I think I lost them again. How could you let that happen? Ow! Please stop.
Okay, here's the more natural place. 100% naturally grown food. I think that sounds much better than greasy stuff, right?
I guess. Let's go see. Hello, sir. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm okay. Your head is extremely large there, sir. Thank you. It's because of all the brain food I've been eating. So, what can I interest you in? Well, I kind of need food for my restaurant. Oh, I have the perfect thing. Nice, naturally grown grass. Okay, grass, really? Yes. How many buckets do you want? I don't know. Does it taste good? Oh, yes. I've eaten grass all my life and it tastes delicious. That's interesting story. Is that how you got your head to be so mutantish like that? Yes. I guess I'll take it. Oh, lovely. Oh, could I interest you in a chicken? A chicken? You mean chicken, right? Fresh chicken? That's a little too fresh. Fresh and natural. Yeah, but I can't give that just that chicken for people to eat. Oh, there's a packaging place for chickens down the street. It's very cheap. Okay, I guess I'll do that then. Okay. Goodbye. Okay, let's throw the grass barrels in the back of you.
Oh, grass? That's kind of strange.
Yeah, and I got this chicken too.
Oh, okay, throw in.
Okay, anyway, it's a real chicken, so we need to go to a chicken packaging place where they, the chicken and then they collect the meat. This is getting annoying. What do you see? Looks like he just went and bought a chicken and 2 barrels of grass. It looks like the chicken is alive. Alive? What do you mean? How could you let that happen? That doesn't even make any sense. Okay, so this is the place.
Yeah, this is the place that God was talking about. A cheap chicken packaging, see?
Hello, sir. Well, I can see he's one of the quiet types. Anyway, sir, I want, this chicken to be packaged into meat, thank you. Oh, okay. Well, that guy was very friendly, slightly.
Yeah, right. So did you see that football game yesterday?
Yeah, that was really cool how that guy did a touchdown.
Yeah, no, I didn't expect that.
Yeah. Wait a minute, didn't someone else say that in this movie?
What?
Never mind. Oh, looks like he's back. Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, look at that. Even has typing on it. Thank you, sir. I hope to see you again. Yes. And you will be seeing me again very soon. Okay. I'm scared. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's hit the highway again.
Oh, be quiet.
Yeah, let's go.